But we are taking our pretty good.
मेंबर्स पहले हाई का ये टर्फर्स को घुसने देना, क्योंकि आज 25 बंदे तो तुम लोग भी एंटर कर पाओगे, ठीक है? तो केओस मत करना, पहले मत घुसना।
All done. All right. I'm coming up. Did any family enter? Did any family enter, like Epic or someone? Do we need to face check or what?
Ganguda, one wanted family member in town.
Okay.
He can enter.
Yo, went to juice up. It's 41:30.
All right, guys, juice up. Get ready to fight. And guys, do not overpeak. Make sure you don't die by CMC. No need to fight with CMC. If it's a clean kill, then I understand, but no need to fight. Focus on ladders. They will be pushing us from ladders, so no point in fighting with anyone else. Our main focus is Kasano. All right, turfers. Only turfers enter.
हाई कमांड, व्हाई आर यू
Roof clean.
एंटरिंग?
Kasano 25. All right. No worries. We'll kill them. Okay, turfers enter. Last call, turfers enter. Okay, stay like this. No need to. I'll tell Itzi's when to enter, not right now. No need to
Yes.
push. Just hold the
Do not
first roof and the
fight
second roof.
CMC, Michael.
Guys, why the fuck are you guys down? Just make sure you're on the roof, and no need to fight CMC, bro. Why are you killing CMC? I don't get it. If you die by wanted, what's gonna happen?
70.
Okay, third roof. There is someone at the third roof.
Pretty clean kills there.
Don't push me, bro. Who is that guy? Push him.
Do not speed boost on the roof, guys. Common sense. If you speed boost on the roof, you will die. Simple.
Are focus on how in the ball.
Guys, remember, even if you speed roll, it's gonna be decent.
Yes, I have extra vest, Justin.
Or is Kasano?
Elfam scout करेगा third roof पे जाके.
करता हूँ.
Nexo, let's go to third roof.
Yes,
You,
yes.
me, and Elfam.
Oh,
Let's do
Scarface.
scouting. Let's check where is Kasano, and if they're gonna push, we'll get ready.
Bro, but why we are too much low?
Oh,
What is
someone.
other-
Because people haven't entered it. Guys, do not die. If your vest is gone, go down. If your vest is gone, go down. Stop dying. Do not die, guys. I'm serious. Do not die. If you don't have a vest, go down. I don't care.
Careful,
Okay,
okay, wait.
Next will come.
Someone is here, bro. Scarface is
High
here.
commands enter.
Come enter,
I
guys.
fell down, Kanka. I fell down.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, no worries. Come long way. Okay, high commands enter. Turfers enter.
Is
member.
there a Kasano member? Maybe here is Kasano. Oh no, sorry, my
I
bad. Not
think- I
Oh,
think
but
Kasano.
one
Kasano is,
scarf is on
they
third
are-
roof. One scarf is on third roof.
Yeah, killed him.
Okay, all good. He broke my fucking wrist.
Calm down,
Okay,
bro.
we are
If your much
25.
broken.
Wait, they're gonna fight with Kasana, so we can win.
Oh yeah, good point.
No.
No need to kill Scarface. Come down. Let's go back to first roof and second roof. It's all good. Come down. No need to fight Scarface. I mean, why would you kill Scarface? Adnan, go back. No need to kill Scarface. Kasano will have to push Scarface, bro. Come down. Adnan, come down. अरे अदनान को लिखो. अदनान समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मेरी बात इसको.
एडम
He's
होगा,
not in
एडम.
VC.
नहीं, अदनान.
Let मरेगा, अभी मरेगा ये.
Adnan, this is last warning for
Adnan
you.
will
Come
die,
down.
bro. See, Adnan already
Yeah.
died, bro. Adnan died, nigga.
Bro, you will receive a strike for this bullshit, bro. Where is Kasano? Anyone know?
Why you guys fighting CMC? Shakil, why you fighting CMC? Crowd fight, bro.
अरे
Fuck.
वेस्ट किस तो दिया. ये कौन सा डीसी
अरे
है?
वो बक करके मार रहे हैं वो ऊपर थर्ड रूफ पे.
Okay, 300 करता हूँ, फिर जाता हूँ ऊपर.
Guys, does anyone know where is Casano? We need to kind of kill one Casano.
Kasana is there.
Most probably they are ran right
Ronnie,
side.
Ronnie West.
No, they are not right side because
Justin,
I see
Justin
there
इधर आ,
was
Justin इधर
some
आ.
people with
मैं
red
Ronnie से ले
t-shirt,
रहा हूँ.
bro, and red t-shirt
Thank
is
you.
not from Kasano.
फसानो अगर वो पीछे की साइड नहीं होगी ना तो वो सामने वो है ना
Who is on
रूम
down
जहाँ पे
side?
हाँ उधर पे
रुक
ही है.
जाते हैं
Saif,
उसके सामने टेरिस है ना उधर होती है वो उसकी सेकंड जगह उधर है
वो
Okay, guys,
CMC
we are
उधर पे नहीं है.
speaking English. Okay.
Chill. I'm gonna try to kill one guy.
Where are
जहाज
you,
क्या
Ganguly?
कर रहा है?
Oh, they are fighting.
They're fighting with the Osmans.
I'm gonna go to fuck two people because they blocking use. They shooting from where? Far. Wait.
Next, if you want, you and me and Alfam can push Casano and Sukuna maybe.
From right side, yeah.
किसको मार रहे हो next one Ethan?
Nice, Ethan, nice.
Hey, don't shoot me,
This
shoot
is
me, Lance.
next, okay? This is next, so. Come on,
Oh,
shoot on next. So.
they come on any scheme.
What?
Where?
They are 10 people.
Kasaro
Where?
or which family?
I
Wanted.
don't know. It's Ekip, I think.
Okay,
I have-
where? Mark one.
Oh,
They are on mid, bro.
Oh, this is our guy. Sorry. Who is this, bro? Sorry.
Bro, Shakir, you're a ticket.
Sorry,
shoot bro
bro, he's gonna push me. Next one.
Mistakenly, I just shoot him.
Bro,
गांगुली पीछे,
he don't
गांगुली
see me.
West.
Are? Apre.
Nice, Arya.
Shoot him,
Yeah,
bro,
I'm dead.
from
I'm
right.
dead. I'm dead, bro. I'm dead.
You also
Bro,
die.
what the
बहुत
fuck?
सही.
What the fuck just happened, bro? Is it teaming or what, bro? They're not letting us push anyone else.
Analyst.
Next show भी
Which
गया.
family is shooting you, bro? Which family?
Scarface,
he
Black
22.
family, bro. Bro, now we cannot do anything, bro. They're playing crazy. Just hold your position. Just hold your positions. Just that's all you can do.
Who the fuck is this family?
roof bro
That's
Nice one.
Chill.
chill, guys. Don't go down. Don't go down.
yeah
Yeah, they are clear. That side clear.
bro I think
No.
Scarface team up with Kasano
गांगुली हमारे 20 हैं. पुश करना चाहिए क्या कसानों पे? Try
हाँ,
मार
right
लेते
side
हैं.
से आ जाओ, right side से आ जाओ जम करके. Push turf first, only turf first, not.
English
बता
में बोल.
नाम बोल.
नाम बोल
किस
दो
किस को लाया जाए?
हाँ तो नाम मैं ही मर गया.
अभी तो इन्फॉर्मेटिव टीम में जो है उनको बोल दो ना सीधा तो विन है
अब तो रहने दो. अब फायदा नहीं है. एंड के 2 मिनट में क्या ही करेंगे जाके.
रहने दो. दूसरी फैमिलीज होपफुली पुश करते ना करे तो क्या ही कर सकते हैं. रहने दो.
ऑलरेडी मार लो. बस मरे ना अपने बंदे ना कम हो. अपने नंबर ही काउंट.
ये ओपन नहीं जाएंगे तो नहीं मरेंगे फालतू में मेंबर्स क्यों यहाँ उंगली कर रहे हो
रुको फाइट कर रहे हैं. वॉन्टेड और कसानो कर रही है. रुको. ये कौन है आगे? मंजीत भाई आ जाओ
लीड
पीछे
भाई
यार.
धन्यवाद
बस फिर उसमें फूट जाए मेरा. भाई कसानो का एक बंदा 4 को खा गया.
भाई इनको पता होता है 25 होते हैं पुश ही नहीं करते साले
हाँ भी है ना ये भी.
कोई आया क्या
सुकुना भाई मर गया. एडम मर गया.
एक बार जरा चेक करना है जो मेंबर जो कूद रहा है ना आगे फाइट लेने के लिए तो थोड़ा देखना
मैं तो भाई जा रहा हूँ
Oh,
सीएमसी.
one Kasana is dead, I think. Oh no, bro. That
15 हो गए 25 के 25 है एक बंदा नहीं मरा उनका अबे पुश करो यार तुम दिख ही जाएगी।
मैं तो कर दिया भाई कुछ मजा भी आएगा
कोई बात
खेलना नहीं क्या
मार दिया मार दिया। छोड़ो मार गए।
कुछ ना कुछ तो खाना ही था भाई
भाई मैं और नेक्सो गए मी एंड नेक्सो पुश ओ रुक जा